सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a herbal masala product UI designing using Adobe XD. So here I am make a herbal product design for iPhone X, XX and 11 Pro. So here I make a herbal product using Adobe XD. I will show you how it works. I design it first, then I make any animation to it. So here, today I am telling you how I make this UI and UX design using Adobe XD. Right? In last video, I will tell you how to create a web page design for a real estate company. Previous class was a website landing page design. Today I go to make for UI design for a mobile application. So for that I create a new file first. Then what I do in here, if you see, there are some options like Facebook post, web. Previous class we use this one. Today we are going to use mobile application for iPhone S, iPhone XX and 11 Pro. I just click here. So here come up artboard. So the size is 375 into 812. So this is basically iPhone X and 11 Pro size. So if you don't have this size, so you can manually edit it also, right? So this one my first page, so I also change the page to landing page. So I name it landing page. Then I want to make design this page. This is my first page. I design. You can design in Illustrator, neither you can use the Adobe XD for design. And previous class I will show you how can I make design in using Adobe XD. So if you see my previous video, so I will put a link and I button. Then I want to create a next artboard. For that I go to artboard tool and I just click here, right? Then I want to make another design. Then I make another artboard. Okay, then I make the last artboard and I create and I make it, right? So basically I have 4 artboard. Just see the landing page, home page, this is my product page, and this one my shop now page. So basically I have 4 artboard I design in Adobe XD. Fine, I think you can design this. If you can't design, so you can use Illustrator. I have some video is my in my channel, so you can just check out these videos and you can make a easy UI design for mobile application, right? So here my design part is over. Then I want to link them to each other, right? So what I do, I just go to prototype here. So this is my prototype. So for prototype I select the selection tool. I want to link this one. I mean this button. My landing page is come. I just click on this one and this page will take to me here, right? When I click it, this page will take to me here. So when I click here, then come to property inspector. Here in trap is auto animate. The destination page, home page is out 3 seconds, right? Just click here to check it. I just preview you. Okay, yes, easy. 1 second. So here is my first design, sorry, first link. Then I come to this page. When I click on this page will take to my here, and this is trap, auto animate, and destination product, and age out is 3 seconds, is fine, right? So when I come to this page, when I click here, this page will take to me here, right? Trap, auto animate, destination shop now, age out 3 seconds. When I came this page, and when I click this button take to me to this page, this auto animate product design. So it's easy, yes, it's very easy to use. Just look how it behave, so I can experience my own UI. So let's experience. So here after UI I just experience this, right? I just select the landing page and click on it. Let's preview, right? My first page of my mobile application, I just click here, it's take to me this page. When I click on this page, it's take to my the product page. When I click here, and this is tell me to solve herbal, so I click, when I click here, this take to me here. And right friends, if you like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, thanks for watching.